If you have already watched the first season of Decoupled, you must be wondering when its season 2 is going to be released. Well, you are at a very right place. Will the Netflix comedy drama series return with its second season, or the season 1 was the only season ever going to be released? Well, do not worry, we have everything covered for you. So let's get straight into the details of Decoupled Season 2. But before we begin, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Well, when we talk about the second season of Decoupled, the first and the most common question that arises is Decoupled Season 2 release date. Well, the first season was premiered on 17 December 2021 on Netflix. The season comprises 8 episodes with a runtime of 25 to 36 minutes each. Yes, we know you are itching to find out about season 2 of the show. Here's what we can tell you. As of now, there's no official information regarding the show's future. It is likely that Netflix is waiting to see how well the first season performs before renewing the show for a second iteration. However, we are quite optimistic about season 2. But if you ask how we are so sure that season 2 could come, well, the ending of season 1 notably leaves the door open for a second edition that can expand upon the lives of Arya and Shruti. In the finale, we see how Arya accidentally finds out about Shruti's plan to leave the country with their daughter. Clearly, this is a point of conflict that could change the dynamic between Arya and Shruti and requires fleshing out. And as a result, a second season is absolutely necessary. Additionally, the show has not been billed as a limited series. In fact, its inaugural run is categorized as a season 1 on the streaming giant. Moreover, taking into the consideration all the promotional material released by Netflix, from cast interviews to roast battles, it seems as though the show has been planned with at least a couple of seasons in mind. And that's a good news for the fans. Given the time needed for renewal, production and post-production, we think a release date of 2022 is quite realistic for the second edition of the show. Thus, fans can expect Decoupled Season 2 to premiere sometime in quarter 3rd or quarter 4th of 2022. Of course, we still have to wait for the official renewal announcement, which hopefully won't take too long. And if the show gets a green light for a second season, we expect the main cast to reprise their roles. This includes R. Madhavan as Arya Iyer, Surveen Chawla as Shruti Sharma Iyer, Arista Mehta as Rohini, and Mukesh Bhatt as Ganesh. Well, some of you might also wonder what could happen in season 2 of Decoupled. Well, if season 2 gets the go ahead, we can expect to see the fates of Shruti, Arya and Rohini unfold. Will Shruti actually shift to London with Rohini? Will Arya manage to live alone in Gurgaon? We will probably get to see Rohini's reaction to the whole scenario as well. She's unhappy about the divorce, so it seems possible that she will resist moving to another country with only one of her parents. Arya and Shruti's careers can also be potentially focal points of the second season if the series is recommissioned. Plus, characters both new and old will possibly bring about more complications in Arya and Shruti's life. So this was all we could gather about season 2 of Decoupled. So what are your thoughts over it? Hit them in the comment section, and before leaving, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any entertainment updates from us.